also got scratched again. Besides being scratched, the piston set was basically scrapped. When cleaning the cylinder head, I found that the camshaft was deformed, causing severe wear on the camshaft base, exceeding its usable range. It also lost its repair value, so all of these had to be replaced. But luckily, I found some high-quality original parts from dismantled bikes. Once the main chain arrives, I can start assembling. Next, I'll be working on restoring these parts. The seat base is severely corroded and needs to be taken for metalwork. After taking it apart, I found it was worse than I thought. It's all rotten here. The surface putty has been cleaned off. Now I'll leave the rest to the sandblaster. This is the result of the sandblasting. You can see that an air bracket here is broken. I'll need to make a new air bracket for it. ready to be painted.
Job on this wheel hub is finished. The edge originally had a brushed finish. To secure the hub on the lathe, I had to make a thread protector to prevent the chuck from damaging the threads. The thread protector is now made. I put a lot of effort into this seat. Now I'll paint on the logo. This exhaust pipe is badly corroded, and it's making a lot of noise inside. I suspect the inner baffle is rotten. I'll need to cut it open to check.